What's up guys, this is HK. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. To all those who are watching my channel for the first time, my name is HK. I live in Berlin. I came to Germany to do a master's. So in this vlog, I'm gonna show you how does an European neighborhood looks like. Since I live in Berlin, I just want you to have experience of how does the total environment over here looks like. So that's gonna be today's vlog guys. The place where I live in, it's 25 minutes to the city center. Since Berlin's a big city, there are like 3-4 city centers. So let's not waste time and let's get started. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I'm gonna leave it right over here. Do go and watch. As you can see here, this is one of the house. These are the names of every person who's living in the house. This is a letter box. For example, if anyone has to come inside, they either need to have a key which they'll open and go inside, or if someone else has to come inside, so these are the bells which they need to ring. For example, this household, this is the bell, and this household, this is the bell, and these are the names of the people who live in this house. So no other person apart from the person who lives inside the house can't enter if they don't have a key. Every single house has this kind of security so that the strangers can't enter inside. Another important thing I forgot to mention you about, so it's the keys. So these keys are really important in Germany. The reason why is each individual gets a single key, and this key is used to open the main door, and the same key is used to open your house door. Okay. Say for example, if one person loses the key in a house, they have to change the key here and to your household. And if your landlord is really good, he would say it's okay and he would charge you very less amount. But if he's a cranky guy, and he would charge you somewhere around 200 euros, which is equivalent to, if there are 3 people, each get 1 key. How people here take traffic signals so seriously. This is the line which you are supposed to cross. It's not even on the main road, it's right inside a colony. You hardly find cars coming here. So if you are here, you always find these kind of signals in Germany. All you need to do is, it shows signal con, and you need to wait for the light to turn to green. So when it turns green, now you are allowed to cross the line. Typical Germans. And near to my household there is a supermarket. It's called as Rewe. There are always supermarkets in Germany. For every 1 or 2 kilometers you always find one supermarket at least. Due to lack of space, you always find parallel parking in Europe and even in Berlin as well. And there are always lots of trees are there in my neighborhood. It feels really good walking in a colony which is so pleasant, and a dense number of trees here around me. So coming to the apartments, this is one of the apartment and it has 3 floors. So the minimum number of floors that an apartment should have should be at least 3. Every 5 to 10 household you can find a park here where you can come and play with your children. It's almost the same for whole Germany. So the culture difference which I find a bit different from India is drinking alcohol. Here you can have alcohol with your family, the university parties, and you can drink even with your professors, but it's not the same in India, at least the place where I come from. So when I came in the beginning, I found it's a bit odd. So when I get used to, now I find it quite normal. Drinking beer and alcohol is a common practice here in Germany. So here you can find lots of beers and the places where you can drink it. So these kind of places you can find a lot in Germany. So here is the main road. and this is one restaurant right in the corner. And as you can see in the front, there is a supermarket. It's called as Edeka, and there are a few more shops. So I'm going to a bakery. It's called as Toben here. So since you can't sit here and eat, but you can take away. This is my favorite, and it costs 95 cents. Hello. Spice mix. Okay. Attention. So here you can find another store. It's called as Woolworth, where you can get everything economical. I have no idea who uses these public telephones when everyone has a cell phone. Maybe when they lost their phone, I guess. Yeah. So this is a post box, and Germany, there are a lot of paperwork here, and they don't like to do things by online. I guess things are being changed right now, but if you want to drop any post, so it's called as Deutsche Post. So you have to come here and drop it here. So here is a Turkish market where you can get fresh fruits, vegetables and chopped fruits, and beside it there is one restaurant. As you can see, here is a tram service. So it's a local tram in Berlin. So as you can see here is one colony which is of same type but a different household number. And there is some construction work going on here. So they have placed all these barricades so that no one can come inside. One more colony which is different in color, and here is another colony different in color. So the area looks so calm and peaceful. These you can find all over Berlin. The thing is that these are a bit expensive compared to the supermarkets. So you can always find the streets are neat, tidy. It's a play area for kids. This is a place where you can get Corona Schnell test. Schnell means in English fast, means rapid. In order to go to any store apart from supermarket, you need to have a negative test. The people who you saw right now drinking beer or going into stores are those who got negative tests. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. This is HK Anan.